You must be able to understand and write code for using both one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays. An array is a data structure that holds elements of the same data type. Arrays are always zero-based, and they are static, meaning they have a fixed size that cannot change as the program is running. In OCR ERL, the array command will create a new array. Square brackets are used for arrays and lists. For example, array names4 represents a new array called names with 4 items. Python does not use arrays, but lists can be used in a similar way. Lists are not static and can use different data types, but they are still zero-indexed. An element in an array or list can be printed using its index. So print numbers4 will print 55. The value of an element can be changed using equals. So numbers1 equals 13 will change the value in location 1 from 12 to 13. Here are two methods of printing each element in a one-dimensional array. The first, if you know the number of values in the array, and the second, more simply, cycling through each item. Name is just a count of each item and could have any identifier such as I. The search for a match code uses a for loop and the index number to compare each item in the array to a specific value. A two-dimensional array is composed of rows and columns. A 2D array can be used to represent a database table, which is a collection of fields and records. 2D arrays use two numbers for each element's index. The first number refers to the row, the second number refers to the column. So array numbers 4, 6 means that you have 4 rows, 0 to 3, and 6 columns, indexed 0 to 5. OCR ERL uses the row and column index within a single square bracket, whereas Python uses separate brackets, one for the row and one for the column. Print numbers 2, 4 would output 50. Numbers 3, 1 equals 32 would change 73 to 32. To print a specific row, the first square bracket, which represents the row, is locked at a certain value, such as 0, and the second bracket uses the loop number. So, this would print numbers 0, 0 the first time, which is 56. Then it would print 0, 1, which is 12. Then 0, 2 for 93, 0, 3 for 74, 0, 4 for 55, and 0, 5 for 16, printing the entire first row in the 2D array. A similar concept is used to print a specific column. The row bracket uses the loop number and the column bracket is given the column to lock. So, printing I5 would print 0, 5 for 16, 1, 5 for 32, 2, 5 for 82, and 3, 5 for 66. The using selection example goes through a row with an index of 2 and checks for values that are greater than 50. So it would print the numbers 79, 51, and 82.